You can use the mechanical key to lock or unlock the doors. While pulling the handle, press the lever under the keyhole cover with the mechanical key to detach the cover from the vehicle. Then, insert the mechanical key into the keyhole and turn it left or right to lock or unlock the driver's door. If the door handle or keyhole is frozen and won't open, lightly tap or indirectly warm it. Always carry the emergency key, as the vehicle battery or smart key battery may become discharged.